Alright, welcome back for part 2 of how we're going to make some quick money. Today I'm just going to clean out the interior, pull out the seat and the floor, and give it a good scrub, probably pressure wash off some stuff. But it'll take you along kind of how in depth I actually get on it. The cleaner the better. So pull all that stuff out and see how clean we can get it. So I got the the vinyl floor out, as you can tell. It's pretty nasty in here. What I did find, there's a hole in the floor there. It's pretty good size. But luckily, it's still solid here, so I should be able to just cut it out. Oh. There's more. Alright, so I'm gonna have to cut all this out. And I'll have to weld some new tin in there. Kind of looks like it's happening over there in that corner too. But not too bad. Yeah, so it's kind of a bummer. But it should be pretty easy to fix. So now I'm gonna vacuum this out and probably scrub it pretty good. So now that we got it vacuumed out, I'm gonna go through and spray some of this super clean in here. Kind of let it soak. I'll probably spray it again and then scrub it down. And I'm actually just gonna, I think, hose it out. I might pressure wash it. We'll see how the hose goes. But I went through and pulled all the body plugs, so hopefully the water will drain out. And then obviously there's a hole there. There's a little hole there, so I'm sure the water will drain on out of here and we'll be good to go. But yep, that's next. So I won't bore you with doing both sides, but I mean, look at the difference. It's this side, the back wall there, and then over here, that's the passenger side. And look at that. Would you rather buy a truck that looked like that? Clean, looks like it's well taken care of? Would you rather buy a truck that looks like that? That's why I think this is worth it, just to do the extra little steps to pull out, clean it all out so it's nice and clean when the new person comes and looks at it. So next I'm gonna soak the vinyl floor that goes in here, soak that up, and then get that clean, looking blue again. Do it on the little strips that run along here. So they're all dirty, but they're supposed to be blue. They're supposed to look like this. And I've already cleaned this door panel, but I need that one, and you can see that it's hanging up right there. So I gotta pull that off and fix where that clips on, and also clean that door panel and clean the dash, the gunk off the dash right there. Yeah, so next I'm gonna be doing that vinyl floor and the little blue trim pieces. So while that stuff's sitting there soaking, something else that's kind of cool that this truck came with. It came with the factory Toyota jack, which is actually pretty hard to find now. And this is the Toyota little tool bag, which it's kind of worn off now, but it says Toyota right there. So I'm actually going to try and clean this bag up, possibly the jack. And I don't know if I'm going to sell it with the truck or if I'm going to keep it. It's kind of a cool thing to have. I actually cleaned up really good. I don't know if you can really tell the difference, but holy cow, I'm really happy with how it turned out. Looks really good. So I gotta let that dry off before I can put it back in the truck. But in the meantime, I'm gonna let that sit over in the yard over there, and I'm gonna wash these up. I'm not gonna record this because it's not gonna be as dramatic of a difference, but I'll show you guys once I'm done. But there's a little bit before. I'll show you that after when I'm finished up. Alright, so here's these pieces. They're kind of hard to tell that they're clean, but I promise they are. They're good. So I think next I'm gonna actually spray the headliner here. Scrub that down and wipe it off with a microfiber towel. I'm not going to hose it because I don't want to, water running everywhere, but yeah, I'm going to spray that super clean up there, scrub it with that little brush, and wipe it all off with that microfiber rag. So that should be next. Man, I'm so happy with how these turned out. They look freaking brand new. Check out this. Other than that hole, look at that freaking headliner. It sucks that someone just let this sit under a tree and slowly start to rot away, because it is in freaking good shape. It's not missing anything. slowly we'll get her back to life. Look at those visors. Look at those. No way. We had a dinner last night, so I wasn't able to record, but there she is. All back together. Quite a difference. And like I said, I'm gonna put some floor mats over that, so it's not a big eyesore. Not bad.